title is still anyone's for the taking. They all want it.
Mommy, your face show.
Yeah, she's done.
But only one can win it.
I love what you just did.
You control the story. You write the script.
I just wanted to give you your flowers while you're on stage. I'm pretty sure that when you stepped out the house today, the sun shined a little brighter.
Proudly sponsored by Biggie Drinks, Nigeria's favorite, and Techno Mobile.
So get involved and show your support again this Sunday when your top 5 perform for you once more.